Dustless Blasting has helped countless boat owners refresh their anti-fouling paint and get their boats back in the water. But this amazing machine isn't just for fiberglass boats and anti-fouling paint. You can also clean and strip aluminum, steel, and even wood boats, no matter what's on them. Heavy marine growth and barnacles disappear. Thick rust and corrosion give way to clean white metal. Even multi-layered industrial epoxy and primer are no challenge for dustless blasting. With dustless blasting, the abrasive and removed coatings are grounded by water, helping keep the air and neighboring workers clean. Stop using outdated, inconvenient surface preparation tools. Traditional sandblasting pollutes the air and uses 2/3 more abrasive than dustless blasting. Ultra-high pressure water blasting uses about 30 times more water than dustless, which makes it nearly impossible to contain polluted runoff water. Dustless blasting creates a perfect profile for paint, wastes less material, and makes disposing of blasting byproducts easy. Hey, if you've got boats, yachts, ships, or barges to maintain, check out our website to see how dustless blasting can help you get your work done faster and better.